Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here. IBM has started the off-campus recruitment, and friends, if you are from 2019, 2020 and 2021 graduates, then you will be able to apply for this particular off-campus. Friends, this link will be given in description, so you will be able to find the link from the descriptions and you can easily apply. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe because I don't want you to miss any kind of opportunities which you are preparing for. So friends, this is the official website of IBM. You can see we have apply now link here and the post is associate technical engineer. So regarding IBM, they have given some information, roles and responsibilities. And friends, I will also ask you to watch the video till the end because you'll be able to get to know what exactly the eligibility criteria and who all are able to apply for this, right? So roles and responsibility, you can just read it. So this every companies need that. And friends, here you can see country and region is India, state multiple, city multiple cities. So any cities you will be getting a job. Category is technical specialist, required education. So bachelor degree irrespective of any stream. So if you are from computer science, civil, mechanical, you will be able to apply for this. Position type, early professional, employment type, full time, and this is a regular. So this is not a contract based job. Okay, full time opportunity. Company IBM India Private Limited, and requirement ID and travel required is no. So right now, friends, you can definitely work from home. Required technical and professional. So proven technical support skills. Okay, persistence and patience. Okay, you love collaborative. So these are the companies. You can say what every company needs from each of the student. So here friends, I will not waste time into reading all those things, so directly we will click on apply now. And friends, once you click on apply now, you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so where you have to fill your details like your first name and your last name and then your primary email ID. And after that, no need to this is just the confirmation that they will be sending you the career opportunity to you. So for fresher, definitely it is very good. Otherwise, friends, what you can do, you can skip and apply. So this is not mandatory to fill it. Then comes choose your sign in option. So you want to create with your email, okay, or you want to sign in with Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. So friends, earlier also I had told you, so LinkedIn is playing a very important role. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to create. Okay, now, so IBM Talent Acquisition Privacy Notice. So here all this company policies and all will be given. Okay. Now, so you had just click on agree and then you will be able to come to the let's get started where create new account. Okay. Now just need to submit your email ID. So this is our official email ID and password. So you can select one of the password. Okay. Uh, any password you can select. You just it should fulfill this criteria 8 to 25 character and other parts. Okay, and then question one. So what is name of your first school? So I'm just putting one random IIT. Okay, fine. Now you are about to start your IBM application. So let's get started. Okay, so associate technical engineer, it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, legal first name, so definitely you have to put your name and I will just fill this randomly. Okay, otherwise it will take more time. So you can select India from here, state. uh, I'll see if Karnataka is there. Yes, that is there. City, so definitely Bangalore. So there is no drop down for this. And then I'm okay, I'm just selecting randomly. Phone number is our official phone number, you must be aware. And email ID, because I am registering now. Okay, so online study you at gmail.com. Okay, now, so education history, so you have no education history. Okay, fine. Work experience, nothing. Add skills, so I will not add anything. I'll just save and continue. Okay, so if any details is required, they will definitely ask, which is mandatory. How did you hear about us? So you can also say okay, others you can put YouTube. country applying to, so that is nothing but India. So drop down will come definitely. Okay. Attended university or higher education degree program? Yes. Please select your university name. So you can select your university from here. So right now I will select one random one from here. Degree obtained. Okay. So anyone I will select. Okay. But when you are selecting, definitely you need to be very careful. And then please select your gender. You have to select it very carefully. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, person with a disability, no. And friends, in between I wanted to tell you one thing. So as you are aware, so TCS crash course live session we have already started, and this was started on 20th of Feb, and this will end on 9th of March. This is specifically for the TCS special edition, and the price also we have kept very much nominal, that is just 149 rupees. So this is only for the coding. Okay. And friends, you can see we have total already 195 students has been registered, and even you will be getting the recordings of the classes. So already 4 classes is there. So if you join today also, there is no problem. Okay. So almost the classes will be for 1 hour daily. Okay. So everything will be very much available here. So you can join the courses, and you can visit our stores also for other courses. Now friends, are you person with a disability? No. And add your resume and CV. So we can definitely browse, my resume, right? So it will be on my desktop itself for you guys, and then save and continue. Okay, fine. 99% is completed. So you just have to see once, send my application. So once you send your application complete. Thank you for applying to this position. We appreciate your interest in IBM. If you are selected, then definitely they will be contacting you. Okay. So friends, your resume should be very much proper. Your LinkedIn profile and other things should be also very much proper, because all the companies are now hiring based on that. Friends, the link will be given in description, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? So you know our YouTube channel, it's online study for you. And definitely friends, you will be getting all the notification. So all the new hirings we are daily updating, like congregant off campus. So whatever the off campus are there, we are updating on the daily basis. Thank you friends, and I hope you will be able to apply soon.